Hello guys, ito pala yung timer namin. Yung analog. Isi-set down namin ng 16:40 on time and 5:30 off time. So we have to set the timer. For this one is for the lights. Okay, let's go. Because before is 4 4:40 and the off time is 5 in the morning. So we have to set another time. So we have to set the present time. It's 15:14. Okay. Then our on time is 16:40. So we have to put this one in 16:40. Then our off time is 5:30. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5:30. So we have to put there. It's 5:30 in the morning. So that's all guys. This is the analog timer for boundary light. Okay. This is how to set the timer. If you need another time, you put only here, and off time only here. So guys, thank you for watching.